welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we off touch sound in our Realme phone. So what is touch sound? So you can see when you touch on button and guys your any icon. So once you can see this sound and guys you don't like this touch sound in your Realme phone device. So how can you off in your Realme phone? In this video I am going to show you. I will tell you how to turn off touch sound in Realme phone. First of all, open your phone setting and scroll friends. So once you can see your sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see your haptic and tunes, tap here. Then yes, you can see your last one, touch sound. So once you want to off, so you can off from this right side. So this sound will off and guys you can see this sound will not work in your Realme phone guys. So you can use your phone without this sound, touch sound. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye friends.